Current energy systems have room for improvement. Unnecessary lights and low temperature settings drive up costs and waste electricity. This waste adds to CO2 emissions, harming the environment. Existing setups are often inconvenient, uncomfortable, and not smart enough. They also reduce the lifespan of electrical appliances. It's time for smarter energy management.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Yazid Ahmad from Faculty of Engineering, Malaya, specifically from Department of Biomedical Engineering. So we have solution called, in general, call it YHub. So what is YHub? YHub is a robust, smart, modular electrical energy monitoring and management system that allow us to save energy. So we do in an innovative way in order to save energy. So why we invent this? Because we try to overcome the problem that we encountered, not yet being solved. So what are the problem? Energy usage, energy waste. It is frequent. You see in the room, you left, nobody care to turn off the light, nobody care to turn off aircon, projector in the class. So all this will contribute to the unnecessary expenses where government spend lots of money to overcome this. So in order to address this problem, our YHub solution able to manage this energy. How? We have this module where it allows us to monitor the surrounding environment, temperature, presence of human, humidity, and so on. So it can decide what is the best setting for the room. Whether to turn off the light, whether to turn off the aircon, set the aircon to the right temperature, and so on. All this will contribute to the energy saving. So based on our study, we able to manage to achieve about 34% of energy saving. So with that, we believe it will provide a positive impact to our country, to government buildings, to even commercial buildings, as well as household user. So YHub is the solution for your electricity usage. So this solution comes with the comprehensive energy monitoring, where it has all the sensors needed to capture the state of condition in the room. The existing solution, they try to reduce the cost. They don't have the comprehensive sensing elements. And on top of that, we have AI at the back where we collect the data to see the trend. From that, we're able to make a best decision in order to set the lighting, the air conditioning, and so on. Okay, I would like to also highlight that this solution comes with a software. With this software, we are able to see the pattern of energy usage, the pattern of temperature set. With that, we actually able to use AI in the background to make a better decision in terms of turning on and turning off the appliances. So this is the software that we developed. We also can have the layout of room and see whether the light in that particular room is on and off. In fact, we can tap our finger on that particular light to turn on and off. We hope that the investor, whoever interested, come and join us to further make this product more commercially viable, address the needs, further improve the features, and so on. I hope the people who are watching this able to understand that there are lots of things that we can do in order to save our planet. Of course, the energy usage, if you can lower down unnecessary usage, this is one of the solutions that we can bring forward.